they can heal you. I mean, animals can heal you. They can really your internal wounds. I think where else do you find the healing for internal wounds? I feel animals can do that. They are surgeons in a in the hiding, surgeons in the hiding, who can actually clear your wounds and traumas. And all societies must understand it, and they should love animal life, support animal life in every possible way. Giving food is one way we can do it. Giving water, keeping water pots throughout, whenever the opportunity comes, treating them, and being proactive.